Welcome G. Let's start. Today I am going to talk one multi-bagger stocks. Basically, basically this stocks belong to the chemical chemical stocks, and in the just last 6 year, this is reached from 100 rupees to 1000 rupees. So let us look what is the stocks and what kind of a performance this stocks have given. Okay, so let's look details about this multi-bagger chemical stocks. So first, look about the market cap. This is the 37,000 crore market caps, and as you know, the current price is more than thousands. And if you talk about the P ratio, about the 61. And if you talk about the ROCE and ROE, both maintain 15 and 16. And this company have a debt near about 2000 crore, but they have a reserve near about 3000 crore. A debt to equity ratio 0.81. If you talk about promoter holding, promoter have still hold 44.9% stakes. And if you talk about the number of percentage of share hold pledged by the company, there is no any kind of shares are pledged by the company. And if you talk about the CAGR returns, last 1 month 11%, last 3 months 18%, and last 6 months 43%. So if you talk about the kind of quality about this stock, so whenever we are talking about the any stock with respect to quality, we have to talk about the management, about the growth, about the capital structures. So this company uh, maintains kind of a average quality. Okay, so you can say the company, if management is very strong, the company is your growth. Here, our management risk, there is no any kind of management risk. If we come talk about the last 3 year performance of this company, so in this company last 3 year given more 256%, and sector given 199%, and Sensex just given 73%. So this stocks is overweight by the sector as well as the Sensex. If you talk about the comparing your this stock return and year by year with the Sensex return, or almost all last 10 year, this stocks never give you the negative returns. All are the positive returns. 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 10 year. You look 10 year, the percentage 900, 9,257 percentage return these stocks have given. If you talk about the long terms in the last 10 year, this stocks given you 9,275 percentage, but Sensex just given 278% in the last 10 year. If you talk about the net profit, so in 17 these are the profit maybe increasingly. If we talk about the sales, sales is also maintain one kind of decent flow. If you talk about the balance sheet, same. This have a maintains increasing his reserves 400, 500, 700, 900, 1000, 1500, 200, 2500, 2800. Now they have maintained 3000 crore reserves. Similarly, they can maintain uh, near about the borrowings. So they have some kind of borrowings as per the business needed, but also maintain our reserves. For, if you talk about some financial number, this stocks, if you compare, talk about the CAGR, compounding annual growth returns, you talk, then in the last 1 year, 100% CAGR. Last 3 years, 52%. Last 5 years, 44%. In last 10 years, 57% CAGR returns this have given. And if we talk about the returns on equity, 16%, 19%, 5-year 20%, and 10-year maintain 20%. That's very. If you talk about the sales growth, they maintain 12-year in the last 10 year maintain the 12% compounding sales growth. Similarly, profit growth maintains 26%, 20%, 15% in last 10 year 21%. So if you talk about this stocks in a longer period of times, huge number of returns you get. If you talk about the promoter holdings, so 44.9% share hold by this promoter itself, and other DII 29% and FII near about 12%, and other public have a 13%. So majorly shares is held by the promoters. So promoter believe on this company. So the company I'm talking about the Aarti Industries. Okay, just last look 6 to 5 year chart. Last 5 year chart. This is very beautiful charts. This have been generated, and just you look here near about 100s and now thousands, and this is the mid cap stocks. So if you look sometime up down up down up down, but over a longer period of time you look this chart going on slow rapidly. If you look some other parameter, this stocks is currently trading current price is more than intrinsic value. Surely this is the multi-bagger stocks. Surely they are trading from his intrinsic value. This stocks given return more than the normal FD returns. But this stocks is not our good kind of dividend. And this stocks currently running in a overbought zone. So you have to wait until this is not good to the buy zone. And if you talk about the management, there is no any kind of a red sign about the management perspective. So the company management is good, the company CAGR is good, growth is a good. Due to that, this has become multi-bagger stocks. And if you talk about the businesses or this company, Aarti Industries, if you look, globally rank among top 5 in 75% of portfolio. And this company is working on the two kind of portfolio. One is the chemical sector and the one is the pharmaceuticals. So they have a different, uh, or you can say, variety of businesses on which they are working, and not only India, but they have a available in across the countries. And if talk about what is the actual intrinsic value for this stocks could be, if you're looking about the intrinsic value, currently very intrinsic value is very low here. But if you talk about the book value, and if you talk about the market price is here so high. Reason is that this become multi-bagger about the business, about the management on which this stock is working. So the next question is about, is Aarti industry good for long-term investment? Answer: yes, surely yes. If you are looking for long-term investment, this stock is good. Okay, so investment for long terms. If you are looking a horizon of 5 to near about 5 to 10 year, you are getting over returns. What do you think? And if we talk about, is Aarti Industries undervalue or overvalue? Surely it's overvalue stocks because they are trading higher price. If you talk what intrinsic value of this stock really, you imagine this is really 62 near about. But so this stock is Aarti Industries stock trading premium discount. Surely this stock is trading more than 1,500 percentage your premium value. The stock's price is depend upon the number of growths. The company have a shown kind of a profit, shown kind of growth in the coming last 10 year. Due to that, this company have given a huge return to the investor. If you are thinking for long term investment, so this is the one kind of very fundamentally strong and good stocks, and you can believe about the man. If the company management is strong, surely you can believe company is run by the management. If management is good of any company, you can believe, and the product on which this is working, chemicals and pharmaceutical, these are the not so very small business, you can say. So just take these informations and you took and you do your analysis and research. This earth industry stocks can fit for you. If you are thinking for a long term investment, surely it will be beneficial. But you have take your analysis, you have to take your judgment. First you have to research about this earth industries, and this is the last just 5 to 6 years. This stocks was trading 100 rupees, now more than 1000. So this is kind of a multi-bagger. Sometimes we feel multi-bagger stocks is the stocks which are very small, penny stocks. Not. Multi-baggers is the number of folding returns you are getting for the longer period of times. Here in the last 10 years, they given a more than 9,000% return. This is the multi-bagger stocks. So don't go in the name of multi-bagger, just penny stocks. Penny stock can be multi-bagger, but you cannot say ki huge price 100 rupees, 200 or 500, and nowadays 1,000 rupees stocks cannot become a multi-bagger. Surely they can become multi-bagger. So this is the one kind of a multi-bagger stocks are the industries. Hope this information help for you to make your own research and analysis. So I'm like to say thank you for watching this video.